Some companies compete on price. Some compete on quality. But a small number of companies compete on something much more powerful. As they grow, they become harder to compete with. Not because they are cheaper, not because they are better, but because their entire system improves with every new user. One of the key forces behind this is called a network effect. It happens when a product becomes more valuable as more people use it. The simplest example is communication. A phone has little value if only one person owns it. But as more people join, its usefulness increases. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle. More users increase value, and higher value attracts more users. Network effects allow companies to grow in a unique way. In traditional businesses, growth requires more resources. But in network-driven businesses, growth improves the product itself. As more users join, the service becomes more useful. This allows the business to scale efficiently, and often faster than competitors can respond. Take Meta. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram become more valuable as more users join. People want to connect with others, and the larger the network, the more useful it becomes. This leads to strong engagement and retention. Now consider Booking.com. More hotels join the platform. This increases selection. More selection attracts more travelers, and more travelers attract more hotels. This creates a two-sided network. Both sides reinforce each other. Now take Visa. More consumers use Visa cards. This encourages more merchants to accept them, and widespread acceptance attracts even more users. Over time, this creates a global network that is very difficult to replicate. Consider Amazon. More sellers increase product variety. More variety attracts more customers, and more customers attract even more sellers. This creates a strong and scalable marketplace. Platforms like Airbnb follow a similar pattern. More hosts increase available listings. More listings attract more travelers, and more travelers attract more hosts. This creates a global lodging network. Network effects also appear in software. Take Microsoft. As more users adopt Windows, more developers build software for it, and more software attracts more users. The same applies to ecosystems like Apple. More users attract more apps, and more apps increase the value of the platform. Network effects allow companies to grow stronger as they scale. They improve the product, they strengthen user retention, and they make competition increasingly difficult. This combination supports long-term dominance. The most valuable companies are not just growing. They are building systems that improve as they scale. That is what sets them apart. And that is why network effects are one of the most important ideas in modern business.